All right, this is nothing spectacular, but this is what we get to see here in Houston with all the clouds and rain coming in. I'm sorry, there's some speckles on the lens. I got this lens on KEM cameras, and matter of fact, I was so mad that I had to send it back yesterday. So I'm sorry for this little speckle smudges that are on these pictures here. But yeah, this lens is going back. A couple of them don't do it. It's only when I get my exposure just right, but these are the best ones I could get, you know, with the cloud cover we have and just before the rain. And you can see how, you know, the clouds just really start covering up, and the clouds never release ever again for, you know, me to get any other pictures. I really wish I could have got some more, but this was actually in Houston in the beginning part of the eclipse right here. Again, hopefully y'all enjoy it. You know, it's nothing spectacular. It's not the totality. It's not the diamond ring. It's not like that. It's just, you know, different exposure marks of, you know, the beginning stages of the eclipse. Thank y'all for watching.